we've got there's an air valve leaking over here that I pulled off, and I'm gonna see if I can get it sealed up. It's got a bad, I think it might be a bad O-ring or something on it, but the top lights work. I'm gonna have to get a good set of batteries too, and the rear hazards work. So I think with the rear hazards, we got enough lights to get it home. Water temp is good, oil pressure is good. We're rocking along at 1200 RPMs, about 26 miles an hour. And these tires, they're old bias ply tires. They're not too dry rot or anything, but man, if they got some flat spots. And we have got some shaking going on. And we could go faster if it wasn't for the flat spots, because man, you get a little bit faster. This is kind of the sweet spot where it's not as violent. But alternator's not charging. The wiring was all undone. It looked like they started trying to change out the ignition switch, and so I got a new one and put in there. They didn't have a key for it, and so we've just got the essentials plugged up. I don't want to risk shorting anything out, so we've pretty much just got enough to get hazard lights on. I've got somebody following behind me, and we're gonna make a slow trip home, and hopefully we make it okay. Good air pressure. Maybe the tires are starting to get a little better, hopefully. And we've also got like a full, about 3/4 a tank of water on it. We got a couple thousand pounds of water in the back, and I can't get it to drain, so it's gonna have to be there for now. I opened the drain up, but it's not draining. Alright, let me get back to driving. Well, it made it home. The front brakes are kind of dragging. I'm going to have to look and see. I don't know if one of the air valves is messed up or what, but we've got that issue. It was, they're kind of hot right now. They're not always dragging, but every once in a while after I would stop, they would drag and then they would release. So they're stuck right. I think they're kind of dragging right now. The backs seem okay, but it has really good brakes. You know, when you stop, the pedal's really good. Of course, it's air brakes, but most of the lights work. We came home. I don't think the alternator's charging just because I don't have it hooked up. I wanted to minimize what I was hooking up. But other than that, you know, I think it would work. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'll smell the brakes. That's the only issue I've got. Came home, we got 60 pounds oil pressure. And dash lights work. Still running cool. Well, I'm gonna wrap this up. Can't really see anything. Well, let me see if I can get it where y'all can see a little better. All right, gonna wrap this up. Like I said, made it home. Brakes are kind of sticking. I can still smell them right now. Like I said, I think it's just the front brakes. I was kind of limited on what I could film, you know, at the people's house, so I tried to respect their privacy. And also just trying to hurry and get this is Sunday night, and it's 6. We made it home about 6 o'clock, and as you can see, it's starting to get dark. Although the lights worked, didn't really want to push my luck driving it at night. It is fully registered and insured, so just you know, no issues there. But I just didn't want to be trying to drive this thing at night, so kind of was in a time crunch and didn't do much videoing. But it, like I said, it made it fine. I had to not rebuild, I had to replace 2 O-rings on one of the rear brake relay valves, or relay solenoid, I forget what it's called, but it was leaking, and I took it apart, took a snap ring off, and it had 2 dry rotted O-rings on it. Replaced those 2 O-rings, and that seemed to seal it up. There's probably miscellaneous little leaks, but the whole way home it stayed at 90 psi, and we had a good brake pedal, and so it looks like mostly brakes are good. I just need to figure out why these front ones are sticking. It may be some kind of a, you know, a solenoid leaking by and making the spring brake apply on the front brakes or something like that. I'm not real sure, but anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Look for some videos coming up on this thing. I got a lot of family stuff coming up, so I don't know how much I'll get to do, but as soon as it dries up, I'll move it and get it where I can maybe pressure wash it and stuff like that. But there may be a little bit of a delay in getting videos out on it, and I'll try to post the videos on this quickly. I've got some other videos I'll post up in the meantime to kind of get me through, or so y'all have content through all the family stuff. I'm gonna be gone a couple weekends in a row, so and weekends are my time to make videos, so won't get a chance to make many videos, but we will I'll keep y'all up to date on the progress here, and we'll do more of a in-depth overview on this thing in the daylight, of course, when I've got some more time, maybe this coming weekend. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more. And if you know what can't see very well, if you know what any of these valves and everything do, let me know. Comments below. If you have experience with these, let me know, because I do not.